Hey guys, it's LilypadPolish here. Okay, just kidding. This is not LilypadPolish. This is Vivi-padpolish, her sister, doing a voiceover. This is a nail tutorial. Now, I know nothing about nails, so this is going to be a hot mess, but we're just going to go with it. I have no idea what anything is called, but here my sister is posing, making sure you guys see all the glow. Well, oh, I think the video glitched. Whatever, we're moving on. Okay, we're starting off with a base coat. I do know this. I don't know what it's for exactly. Maybe it's so everything just sticks to the nail better. You know, less chipping involved. Now we're going in with a white nail polish color. What is this called? I don't know. Maybe it's titanium white, as Bob Ross would say. We're just going to do a couple of coats of that, and we're going to do that thingy where, you know, you do the edges of the nail as well. I'm sure there's a technical term for it, and I don't know what it is. What is this? Okay, we're getting some tweezers and some cool, hollow-looking thing. Tape? Oh, sure, yes. Okay, we're just gonna stick it on the nail diagonally, as you can see. Oh, we're doing two. We're doing two. We're getting a little wild over here. Okay. Just side note, look at those tweezers. They match the hollow sticker tape. I mean, come on now. Pretty sure those are for, like, eyelashes, but it's, you know, it's fine. We're going in with the Beauty Big Bang nail polish. I really have I'm confused. What is this? Is this color? It looks white. Why would we put white on white? Maybe it's not white. Maybe it's, I mean, I guess it's a little cream color. What is this? Is this regular nail polish? No, it's not. She's putting it on her finger. Okay, well, I don't know what's happening. I really don't. But we're putting it all over the nail. What? Okay, we're putting it on the finger. We're not, maybe it's a moisturizer. Who knows at this point? But we're putting it on, as you can, okay, now we get that rubber stamp doohickey thing, okay? We're putting regular masking tape, no, scotch tape. We're cleaning it up so it's all nice and clear for us. We're going with a China glaze. Oh, we're double for, oh my god, wow. That switch frame, I mean, come on, that's just quality video making right there. So now we're going with purple, pink, orange, blue. I mean, magenta. It's not really pink, it's more magenta. Okay, and we're going, okay, taking a brush, we're putting it on the rubber stamp, and now we're swirling these colors together, giving it a nice marbling effect, you know? Feel the Picasso come out as you swirl them around, you know? Get creative with it. And now we're gonna just stamp it right on the nail. Okay, that's not really what I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be one stamp, but it's not. We're going to dab it. We're going to dab it in the area that does not have the big beauty, whatever the heck that was, I think. I'm not going to lie, I feel like this is as difficult as just brain surgery. I'm very, oh my god. So that's what it was. Okay, see, it's like a peel off nail polish. So like once you peel it off, you get that clean, crisp line. Beautiful. Now we're going in with Stripe Rite, which I guess is right. Okay, so like a thin glitter. A glitter. Wow. I mean, that's just gorgeous right there. And we're just gonna outline that little triangle there, making sure to give it a nice little pop. You know, it's looking a little wonky and uneven, but it's fine. Mistakes do. Okay, now we're going with the Holo Taco. I do know this, okay? Simply Nailogical. Who does not know Christine? Okay, you'd be living under a rock if you don't know who that is. So we're gonna just top it off with a nice, fresh Holo Taco. Okay, make sure everything is nice and secured. And It adds a nice glossy finish to it. It makes sure your nails do not chip. We do not want that. Okay, unless you're going for that. I don't know, some people do. Back in my emo phase, that was the thing. Chipped black nail polish. Okay, now I'm posing for you guys. Well, not me, my sister is. This is her hand, not my hand. I don't know what she's doing. I was just asked to come here. I hope I'm getting paid. Lily, $50 to do this voiceover for you, okay? Okay. So here's the finished product. Beautiful colors, beautiful glitter. This is the end screen. Is it over? Thumbnails? Go here, I think. I don't know. Nice chatting with you guys. It's been fun. Subscribe, hit that like button for more content. Follow me on my socials. Not me, my sister. I don't know why I say me like this is my video. It's not my video. Goodbye, guys.